What's up guys, my name's Alex, welcome to the Bug Out Life YouTube channel. What is good guys, it has been a minute since I've uploaded a video. I know that a lot of you guys have been messaging me and putting up comments asking when the next episode's coming out. That's now, obviously. The reason I've been incognito for a while is because I went away with work for a few months and then I actually ended up buying a house, and we're currently standing in my new shed. So the house sort of took precedence over everything else. I've been doing some renos in the backyard and inside the house, and setting it all up for living. So that's what's been going on, but we are back. We're working on the trailer. In this episode, you're going to see me put the walls in, fix the back door, we're going to chuck all that stuff in, and we'll start fitting out the interior. What we need to do now is also put the trailer back together, because we took all that apart to paint it and we didn't actually put it all back together properly yet. So I'll be doing that soon, but check out this video and I'll update you guys at the end. Cheers. Alright, so this back door has been a huge pain in the ass. As you saw me just cutting it down, it just doesn't seem to want to fit. It's like 5mm out on this frame and 5mm out on that frame, so I had to do a bit of tweaking to get it to fit. So let's see how this goes. Probably still going to be a bit out, but give us an idea of where we're at. Honestly, probably close enough that when I put the trim around it, you won't notice it. So that corner's still a bit too close there for my liking. Alright, so we've come up with a solution here. We adjusted it a bit more. It's fitting pretty good. It's a couple mil out. We'll probably be about 2mm of a bigger gap in this corner compared to that corner, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with those margins. So what we'll do, we'll take this out now, give it a good clean, and glue it in, clamp it up, and then we'll install it. Let's do it. Alright guys, so our back door's all glued up now and it's ready to be installed. So what we're going to look at now is our hurricane hinge here. It's a very simple waterproof hinge. This part here attaches to the camper at the top, and then this part here attaches to your door. So what we need to do is just trim it down to size, drill all of our holes to suit where they're going to sit in for rivets, and then we'll glue it in as well. Then we just need to mark on the door where this hinge will sit, drill those holes, glue, rivet, and then we're pretty much ready to install that. And we should be good to go. Alright guys, so I got my holes all drilled here. I had to go pretty close to the edge just because of how this door sits, like where it sits. I didn't have too much meat there. So I ended up doing more rivets at a smaller gauge, so I didn't have to have such a big hole, just so I could use as much meat as I had there. So that's where we're at now. I'm going to take this door off and we'll get ready to glue and rivet it now. Well, hello there. Alright, so the back door is gluing up now, the hinge is all on, it's all riveted in, so we'll wait for that to dry up before we go putting it on, just because I don't want to mess it up at the last stages there. So in the meantime, I thought we might crack out the roof rack system. So I've got these they're just normal car rail systems, and then you can attach your crossbars to these as many as you want, or you can put a rack on it, or flat platform, or whatever you want to do. So they're going to go on the edges here, which will be the strongest point. And they're just going to, once again, like everything else, glue down, rivet in, seal all them up so that no water gets in anywhere. And then that'll give us the option to put solar panels on top, rooftop tent, some cargo, whatever we decide we want to do. It'll most likely be solar panel and something else. So let's get into that and we'll keep going. Right, so there we go, the first one's done. It's all riveted in, glued in, sealed up, happy and good to go. So I'll do the other side now off camera, and then we'll see if that door's dry enough to chuck in the back. Alright, so the roof rack rails are all installed now. I think it's time to get this back door in, at least just see how it fits. It isn't completely dry, but I think it's going to be close enough for us to have a little look-see. I can't wait any longer, so give me a sec, I'll grab that and we'll chuck it in. Excuse the mess in my shed, by the way, and this might be a bit tight. See how we go. Well, that was a struggle. See if it closes. Oh! That, my friends, it's closed. Open. Got gas struts on there, obviously, to assist with opening it and leaving it open for head shelter. Bam! She fits in. Woohoo! That's good. Well, there we have it, guys. The back door's in, hinges all on, glued, riveted, so it's not going anywhere. Fitting pretty well, pretty happy with that. Still a couple mil difference in the gaps, but honestly, once I put some seals and stuff around, you're not even going to notice it, so it'll be fine. We also put the roof rails on, so they're good to go. That's pretty much going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's a bit of a different format to what I'm used to doing, which is talking heaps, and I get told all the time I talk too much, so I just did time lapses with a little bit here and there. But that's pretty much an update of where we're at. So we're going to go from here is just keep fitting this thing out. We've got to do the roof then, all the lights inside. We've got to build a wall on the inside to separate the kitchen and the bedroom, so on and so forth. So there's heaps more to come. I promise that the next video won't be so far apart compared to the last one, and hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the build. So thanks for sticking around, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.